Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to manage your Chase student loan account online. So let's get straight into it. So managing this account is a pretty simple process, and it can be completed on the website. You could also do that on the mobile app, and here's a step-by-step guide on how to get that done. So first thing you got to do is to log into your Chase online account. Of course, remember you can do that on the website, or you can log in on the mobile app. And once you're logged in, you just want to click on student loans and then select your student loan account. Next, you got to view your student loan balance. You can view your student loan balance as well as payment due dates and payment history. You can also make a payment online, or you can set up automatic payments here on Chase. You can also review and update your account information. So in case anything has changed and you need to update your information, you can do that on Chase. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to manage your Chase student loan account online. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.